Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're looking into a piece of home tech that's kind of a quiet superstar, especially when it gets cold. The tankless water heater.
Yep. And all our info for this comes straight from the folks at Pacific Blue Mechanical who work in the Chilliwack, British Columbia area.
And our mission really is to unpack why these units are so perfect for cold climates like Canada.
Yeah.
I mean, what makes them special for that kind of weather?
Exactly. We're going to show you that they aren't just an energy-saving gadget. They're actually engineered to handle that deep, sustained cold.
Okay, so let's start with the absolute basics. For anyone who's only ever seen that, that big rumbling tank in the basement, what is a tankless system in like third grade language?
Sure. Think of it like this. It's a small box that gives you hot water instantly, but only when you ask for it. You turn on the tap, it fires up, turn it off, it stops.
No storage tank sitting there, keeping water hot all day long.
None. It only uses power the exact moment you need hot water.
And that seems to be a huge point in the Pacific Blue source, that idea of no wait time. You don't have to wait for the tank to reheat after someone takes a long shower.
Not at all. It's just endless hot water on demand for sinks, showers, laundry, all at once if you need it.
And they're small, right? I've seen them. They don't take up much room.
Oh, they're a massive space saver. They usually just mount right on the wall, so you get all that floor space back. Total game changer for a small utility room.
All right, that all sounds great. But here's the big question for anyone in, say, Chilliwack. The water coming into the house in January is freezing. How does a small box handle heating that up so fast?
That is the most critical question, and it's where the specific Canadian design comes in. It's really two key things. First, something called freeze protection technology.
Okay, what's that?
It's basically an internal safety net. It might have a tiny heating cable, or it'll automatically circulate a little water to make sure the pipes inside the unit itself don't freeze and burst.
So it protects itself from the cold.
Exactly. And the second thing, which the source spent a lot of time on, is condensing technology.
Right, I saw that. Why is that so important in a cold climate?
Well, because it's all about efficiency. When you burn gas to heat water, you create exhaust-like steam. Normally, that hot steam just goes right out of it. Wasted energy.
Okay.
A condensing unit has a second heat exchanger that catches that steam and reclaims the heat from it before it escapes.
So it's recycling heat.
It's recycling heat. And when your starting water is near freezing, you need every last bit of energy you can get. It's what pushes the efficiency up into the high 90% range.
And that has to bring us to the money talk. All that efficiency, it must mean savings on the monthly bills.
It does. A pretty significant savings on your utility bills, for sure. But the Pacific Blue source also highlights the durability. These things can last 20 years or more. Much, much longer than a standard tank.
Wow, 20 years. And are there other sort of financial boosts? I thought I saw a mention of incentives.
There are. Very often, the Canadian government or provincial programs will offer rebates for installing these high-efficiency green units. It helps a lot with the initial investment.
Which brings to a good point. This doesn't sound like a DIY job for a Saturday afternoon.
Oh, absolutely not. No, you need certified professionals for this. The venting for these condensing units is very specific, and you're dealing with gas and electrical systems that have to meet strict local Canadian codes.
So professional installation is key to making sure it's safe and that it actually works right.
It's non-negotiable. You want it to be safe, and you want to get that 20-year lifespan out of it.
Okay, so just to sum it all up for you listening, we're talking about a system that saves space, saves energy, gives you endless hot water, and it's specifically built with protections for a Canadian winter.
That's it in a nutshell. And maybe a final thought to leave you with is this. When you choose one of these heaters, you're not just helping your wallet right now. You're kind of future-proofing your home.
What do you mean by that?
You're getting a system that's ready for any new energy rules that might come down the line, and you're making your home more efficient and, honestly, more valuable.